Here we go.
Hi, my name is Casey Franks, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about Nick's Intro to Narrative class. And the reason why I came to the class and what brought me to it was that I have been a writer for a long time, but I only recently decided that I wanted to actually be a writer and to try to learn the craft properly. Coming into the class, it was really exciting, and the first thing that I became aware of is that I was amongst other people who admitted to themselves that they wanted to be writers. And so as a group, we sort of explored that process, and one of the things that came to me really quickly was that to write a book is about the process, and it's a tradesman-like thing. So there's steps and structure involved, and Nick's class really talks about that specifically and gets you to that. And if you think about writing a book inside its structure, then it's just parts. And I don't know who else might experience that, but thinking about a finished product, a 300-page book or something like that, it sort of looks like magic. It's a very scary, daunting thing. But what I found in this class is that once you know the parts that make up that whole, it's not magic, it's just what you do.
Great, great.